The first one is ah. This sound is very similar to A in English, father. Please read after me. Ah, ah. The second one is O. This sound is very similar to AW in English, law. Read after me, please. O. The third one is This sound is similar to A in English, ago. Please repeat after me. The fourth one is E. This sound is very similar to double E in English, see. Repeat after me, please. E. The fifth one is oo. This sound is very similar to double O in English, mood. Please read after me. Ooh. The sixth one is yu. Although this sound is not found in English, it occurs both in French. Salut. Yu. Ah. O. E.